Today's recipe is Octopus Adobo. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook Octopus Adobo. Octopus adobo is known in the Philippines as Adobong Pugita. Here are the ingredients of my Filipino octopus adobo. Octopus, which is known in the Philippines, Pugita. Ginger, tomato, onion, garlic, chili pepper, water, ground black pepper, cooking oil, fish sauce, vinegar, and soy sauce. Now let's start cooking. Guys, wait until the end. There is a video on how to prepare an octopus. Okay. Guys, before we start cooking, here is a quick tip. Dip your octopus tentacles in a boiling water. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. And 1, 2, 3, up. Here we go, guys. It starts to cool, right? And also help tenderize your octopus. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. In a preheated pan, pour the cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and saute. Give it a stir. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the onion. And the ginger. Mix it up. Stir occasionally. Once the onion turns soft, add the tomato. Also add your chili pepper. Mix it up. Stir occasionally. Add the ground black pepper. Your vinegar, soy sauce, fish sauce, and water. Give it a stir. And now time to add our octopus. Quick stir, guys, once the octopus is in, and then turn to low heat. Cover and simmer on a low heat. After 30 minutes, let's give my adobo pugita a stir. Wow! That looks amazing, isn't it, guys? Baste it. You have to baste it, guys. And then turn it over to cook the other side. Gosh. Looks like I need my hand. That's it, guys. Wow. Cover and simmer. Okay, guys. After an hour of total cooking time, our octopus adobo is now ready. Let's take a look. Serve with rice and enjoy. Here we go guys, my octopus adobo ready to enjoy! Now let's taste it. Oh, so tender and juicy. Absolutely delicious. Guys, the secret of cooking tender octopus is to cook it on a high heat for 3 minutes, or it's just what I did, slow cook it for an hour. I hope you enjoy my octopus adobo today, and if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.